Hi children, how are you? Good to see you. Today again we will learn names of animals, some new, some old, and their homes and their foods and young ones. I am Aditi Miss. Now again we will learn animals names with spelling. We will learn some new names also. Let's see. Ant, ant. Can you see ant? Small one. Which animal is this? Yes, this is cat. C-A-T. Cat. Now it is cow. C-O-W. Cow. Next is D-O-G. Dog. This is donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Next is which animal? It is pig. P-I-G. Pig. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel is a desert animal. Can you see harm of camel? They keep water. This is deer. D-E-E-R. Deer has strong and big horns. Can you see horns of deer? Yes. What are these? These are crocodile. Crocodile lives in water. Can you see they are living in water? Which animal is this coming now? Next. It is bull. B-U-L-L. Bull. Buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. What is this? This is crab. C-R-A-B. Crab. Crab has 8 legs. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Elephant has long trunk. They use their trunk as hands. This is fox. F-O-X. Fox. Fox lives in jungle. Which animal is this? This is frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Frog is rain creature. This is goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Goat also gives us milk. You know na? Cow and goat gives us milk. This is gorilla. 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 Gorilla lives in jungle. They can walk like human. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Horse can run very fast. This is monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. This is mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Mouse lives in a hole. This is hyena. H-Y-E-N-A. Hyena. Hyena is very dangerous. Now which animal are these? These are panther. P-A-N-T-H-E-R. Panther. They also can run fast, very fast. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Rabbit. This is sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. We get wool from sheep. Which animal? Spider. S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. Spider has 8 legs. Wow, that is tiger. Tiger, tiger. Tiger is lives in forest. This is turtle. 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 Turtle lives in water. They can swim. This is wolf. 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 Lion. King of the jungle. Lion. Lion. What is this? Wow, butterfly. Butterfly is fetching honey from flower. Butter, butter, fly, fly. This is giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe has long neck. You can see which animals are these? These are zebra. 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 Now animals and their babies. Young one of animals. We will know name. Dog. What is called small dog? It's puppy. Baby dog is called puppy. 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 Next is cat. 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 And what is young cat is called? This is called kitten. Kitten. Next is goat. 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 Kid. Goat. Kid. Hen. Hen. Chick. Donkey. Donkey. And foal. Donkey foal. Duck. And young one is duckling. Duckling. Next is horse. Horse. And colt. Colt. This is rabbit. 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 Bunny. Pig. And young one is called piglet. Piglet. Next is sheep. Sheep. Lamb. Lamb. Sheep, lamb. Rhinoceros. What is young one called a rhinoceros? Cub. Cub. Next is giraffe. Young one of giraffe is called calf. Calf. Kangaroo. What is young one of kangaroo called? Joey. Joey. Next is deer. Fawn. Young one of deer is called fawn. Fawn. Lion. Young one of lion is called cubs. Cub. Next is monkey. Monkey. And young one of monkey is infant. Infant. Elephant. Calf. 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 Cow. Cow also, young one of cow is called calf. Calf. Buffalo. Buffalo, young one of buffalo also called calf. Calf. Now we will know some new names of wild animals of out of India. Wildlife of India or out of India. This is aardvark. It's new one. That is alpaca. 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 Which animal is this? This is called anteater. Anteater. These are antelope. Antelope. This is kind of deer. This is armadillo. Armadillo has strong shell. That
Baboon.
is baboon.
Baboon.
Baboon. It is badger. 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 These are cheetah. Cheetah. Chimpanzee. This is also one kind of gorilla. Chipmunk. Chipmunk loves to eat nut. Flying squirrel. They can fly. This is gibbon. This is also family of monkey. That is gnu. Gnu. Gorilla. Gorilla. Bear. Grizzly bear. That is called grizzly bear. Jaguar. See the looks of jaguars, very dangerous. Lemur. Which animal? Lemur. Now they are lynx. They are family of cat family. Mandrill. Mandrill, the family of monkey. They are meerkat. Meerkat. Mole. They are called mole. Mongoose. Mongoose. Okapi. Okapi. Opossum. Opossum. Orang utang. Orang utang. Otter. Otter. Pangolin. Pangolin has scale like fish. Wow, panther. Black panther. Pine marten. Pine marten. Polar bear. Polar bear lives in ice. Prairie dog. Puma. Puma, all are cat families. Raccoon. Raccoon. Red panda. Reindeer. They comes on December with tapir. Tapir. Looks dangerous. Tasmanian devil. Wow. Weasel lives in ice. Weasel. Wolf. Wolf. Wolverine. Wolverine. Yuck. Yuck. Now we will see animals and their food they eat. Cow. What cow eat? Cow eat grass. Cow eats grass. Sheep. SHEEP. Sheep also eats grass. What sheep eats? Sheep eats grass. Now cat. Look what cat is eating. Fish. Yes, fish is favorite food of cat. Cat eats milk also. Next is dog. Dog loves to eat bone. Dog eats bone. He chews bones. He loves to chew bones. He's very happy to have bones. Now chicken. Chicken eats grains. Chicken eats grains and chicken eats insects also. But chicken loves to eat grains. Chicken. Rabbit. You all know what rabbit loves to eat? Yes, carrot. Rabbit loves to eat carrot. See, jumping, eating and jumping. Goat. What goat eats? Goat eats grass. Goat eats grass. Goat eats grass. Now, horse. Horse also eats grass. Horse eats grass. Which animal eats grass? Called herbivorous. Animals and their homes, where they live, we can see now. It's a lion. Where does a lion live? Lion lives in a den. Lion lives in den. Which animal is this? This is dog. Where does a dog live? Dog lives in kennel. Cat. Cat lives in cage or cattery. Sheep. Where does a sheep live? Sheep lives in pen. Pen. Bull. Bull lives in which place? Bull lives in shed. Which animal is this? It's an elephant. Elephant lives in jungle. Hen. Where does a hen live? Hen lives in coop. COOP. Deer. Where does a deer live? Deer lives in grasslands. Horse. Where does horse live? Horse lives in stable. Cow. Where does cow live? Cow lives in shed. Bear. 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 Bear lives in cave, in jungle. Cock. Male of hen. Cock lives in also pen. Rat or mouse lives in hole. Rat lives in hole. Bird. You know where does bird live? Yes, bird lives in nest, on tree. It's pig. Pig lives in sty. 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 Rabbit. Where does rabbit live? Rabbit lives in burrow. Donkey. Donkey lives in stable, like horse. Stable. Goat. Where does goat live? Pen. Goat lives in pen. This is bee. Bee lives in beehive. We get honey from beehive. This is spider. Spider has 8 legs. Spider makes his own house. It's called web. Snake. Snake lives in a burrow. Ant. Where does ant live? Ant lives in ant hill. This is called ant hill. Zebra. Zebra lives in zoo or jungle. Animals, homes and facts. Animals' homes. Animals make their homes in many places. Where are some animal homes? High in a tree is a big eagle's nest. There eagles keep their chicks safe. Facts. Some eagles are white and brown. They eat rabbits, lizards, frogs, birds, and even small dogs. Oh wow! Next, an opossum lives inside a tree hollow. It lines it with leaves and grass inside. It stays safe and dry. Facts: opossums are grey or black. Mother opossums carry their babies on their backs. Honeybees make a hive for their home. They make honey in the hive. The bees have food all winter long. Facts: honeybees have 5 eyes. Honeybees can't see the color red. Some crabs make their homes in old seashells. They find new seashells as they get big. Facts: crabs live underwater and on land. They have 10 legs. An animal's home is the best place for it to live. Where is your home? How is your home right for you? Now we will see animals and their homes. Some new animals also. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Bird lives in a nest. Cow lives in a shed. Owl lives in a burrow. Ant lives in ant hill. Mongoose lives in a burrow. Dog lives in a kennel. Deer lives in grasslands. Lion lives in a den. Heron lives in a burrow. Squirrel lives in tray. Cat lives in a den. Polar bear lives in a cave. Hen lives in a coop. Camel lives in a desert. Buffalo lives in a leopard lives in jungle or safari. Chimpanzee lives on a tree. Monkey lives on a tree. Orangutan lives on a tree. Beetle lives in a tunnel. Termite lives in a termitarium mound. Cockroach lives in house sewer. Donkey lives in stable or barn. Goat lives in a pen. Sheep lives in a pen or fold. Spider lives in a web. Lemur lives in a tree, on a tree. Giraffe lives in a safari or jungle. Turtle lives in sea, underwater. Fish lives in water. Elephant lives in forest. Raccoon lives in a den. Dolphin lives in sea. Porpoise lives in sea. Gurbil lives in a gurbillarium. Guinea pig lives in a hutch or cage. Kangaroo lives in hollow tree. Koala lives on a tree. Llama lives in a hut. Red panda lives on bamboo tree. Marmot lives in a cage. Fox lives in a den. Yak lives on a hill, mountain or burn. Mole lives in a burrow. Bee lives in a beehive. Hyena lives in a den. Zebra lives in forest or savanna. Panda lives in bamboo rainforest. Sloth lives on a tree. Meerkat lives in a burrow. Hippopotamus lives on river banks. Answer the following questions. Why do the animals need shelters? The animals need shelters to protect themselves and to bring up their young ones. What are caves and dens in which some wild animals take shelter? Caves and dens in which some wild animals take shelter are hollow, dark places formed of rocks in jungles and forests. What is the shelter of animals like lions, tigers, and bears called? The shelter of animals like lions, tigers, and bears is called a den. What do call the shelter of a rabbit? The shelter of a rabbit is called a burrow. What do mongoose and rats make to live? Mongooses and rats make holes to live. What do the birds make to live? The birds make nests to live. Where does a woodpecker make holes to live? A woodpecker makes a hole in the trunk of a tree to live. What type of a shelter do we make for our cows? We make a shed for our cows. Where are the horses kept? The horses are kept in stables. What is the shelter of a dog called? The shelter of a dog is called a kennel. Fill in the blanks choosing a correct answer from the words given in the box below. Wonder, caves, trees, holes and sty. Number 1. The foxes live in dash. Where does a fox live? You have to choose the correct word. Yes, the foxes lives in caves. Wild animals like elephants and deer dash in jungles. Answer will be wander in jungles. Elephants and deer. The pigs are kept in a pigs are kept in a sty. Snakes live in dash made by some other animals like rats. Answer is holes made by some other animals like rats. Monkeys live in the branches of dash. Monkeys live in the branches of trees. Tick the correct answer from the words given in the brackets each sentences. A parrot or cow lives in a hole of a tree. Who lives? Yes, parrot lives in a hole of a tree. An eagle or a crocodile makes a nest to live. Eagle makes a nest to live. The sheep are kept in den or pen. Yes, in pen. Pigeons make their nest in houses or trees. Yes, makes nest in houses. Each bird makes a same or different kind of nest. Different kinds of nest birds make. Match the animal with its shelter. First one, yes, birds, nests. Lion, den. Parrot, hole in a tree trunk. Rabbit, in a burrow. Fill in the first letter of the name of the numbered animals to make a new word. Number 1, cat, first letter C. Number 2, ape, first letter A. Number 3, vulture, first letter is V. Number 4, elephant, first letter is E. And number 5, sheep, first letter is S. The word is caves. Question number 1. What is the heaviest animal on earth? Blue whale, elephant, hippopotamus or a giraffe? Answer is A. Blue whale. Question 2. True or false? Mallards are glossy green heads are males. True or false? Yes, it is true. Green heads are male. Question number 3. How are called walruses? Whiskers, vibrissae, tusk, blubber or rosmaras? What is the answer? Is number A. Vibrissae. Question number 4. A digeo is a cross between dash and a dash. Horses and donkey, cow and yak, zebra and pony, camel and llama. Answer is cow and a yak. Question 5. What octopus species are known to be deadly to humans? California two-spot octopuses, pygmy octopuses, blue-ringed octopus or Caribbean reef octopus. Answer is C. Blue-ringed octopus. Question 5. Which of these animals is not herbivorous? Sheep, tiger, zebra, beaver. Herbivorous means grass eating. Yes, tiger. Tiger doesn't eat grass. Tiger eats flesh. Thank you, children. Hope you enjoyed.